Hello. This is Nay, and I'm Bay, and we're Nay and Bay, but this is actually Ash and Bay videos. And today, we are going to yoga challenge. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to show you all the poses and stuff. There is pose number 1. Can you see? Yeah. Pose number 2. Easy. Pose number 3. Thank you very much. Pose number 4. We'll do 10. Is that cool?
No, that's too many.
No, we'll do 10. I don't remember what number I was on, but 5.
Who?
6. 7. Oh yeah. Oh. 8.
Do you remember these?
Probably not. 9. And this. 10. Okay, so we're going to start now.
Lower because you can't see.
Here we go. Pose number 1. Okay. Head on butt. Go lower. No, move your hands out this way more. There. Stop. Stop. Ah! Alright, get up. Well done. You tuck in that shirt. Okay. Let's go. Alright, I got it.
Hurry.
I got it! Ah! We did it! Fun time.
Hold on.
Pose number 2.
Don't kiss me this time. This time. Do it! Okay, I did. Ready?
Okay.
That was nice.
Number 3, number 3, number 3. Yeah, yeah.
We're so closer together.
Okay. Number 4. So much fun. You put your feet on my stomach. Keep your legs straight. Ready? Ready? Yay!
That was scary.
Number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Are we supposed to hold hands?
No, just give me your foot.
Oh,
This is so hard.
that's so
Okay, okay.
backwards.
Now try lifting it higher.
Yeah, my hip is popped.
Why are you moving your hip like this?
I'm not trying to. Number 6.
I want to be the person following me.
Okay.
That's scary.
You're
gonna
just-
die.
Oh
God.
I'm scared.
God. Did you even push play?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
It's not that hard.
I'm scared I'm gonna crush you.
No, go back.
This does not feel pleasant.
Anaya, you have to.
That's what I'm saying. It's scary.
Alright, you go backwards first. Whatever. Did it. Number 7.
I don't think this one's sanitary.
Keep all your bodily gases inside of you.
Gross. I'm not a car. Oh goodness. Okay, let's put our butts together.
Okay, not sanitary.
That's not what you do. You grab each other. You grab my
I thought. Oh.
Ouch! This hurts.
Did it. Boom.
Oh.
Number 8. Let's do this.
Let's go back. Way more.
I can't.
Yeah, so then they can see our legs go up.
Oh. Okay.
Ah! It was stuck. Okay, where'd it go?
Ouch! Yay! Did it.
That was perfect.
Sorry. Number 9.
That's not what part is.
Thank you so bad. I have to pee.
Oh wait, no, that's waffle. Okay. Here we go. Straighten it out. Straighten. Legs.
Oh.
Legs out. I mean your arms out.
Right there.
Okay, do it again. I think this one got us.
Yeah. You said the same.
Oops. For me. Same thing.
Ow! For me! Like, put your feet right there. No. Nat, stop.
Okay.
There.
My legs aren't straight though.
That's why you make them straight.
I was trying, but you bent them. Push you back. Go.
Yeah, you can't do that. You have to start out with bent legs and then make your...
No, that's not how I started out the first one.
Well, I'm making it different. Okay, whatever. Did it. Number 10, last one.
We're done. Can't do a plank though.
It's not a plank. Scoot up.
This
Scoot
is
up.
a plank, honey.
Scoot up.
Stop. Okay. This is what a plank is.
Yeah, get lower though.
This is what a plank is.
No, you have to. It can't be at an angle.
That's what it's
You
supposed
need
to
to put
be.
your arms further. You need to
Look
put your
at
arms.
this. Look.
Oh.
Look at the picture. Look at the picture.
Oh, you're supposed to be down like this, not like that.
My butt was up. So you put your butt down.
Oh my god.
Somebody farted. It was me. Okay. Okay, get up. I'm up.
Get up.
Was that number 9 or 10?
10. Let's go.
Yay!
Anaya, we're not done.
Hi.
I want to do it again.
I was...
Why do you think I did? So get up again.
Here, I'll try doing this kind of plank.
Yay! We did it. No! We did it. We did it.
Stop
We
touching,
did
stop
it.
touching, stop touching. Ouch.
Oh!
God, that hurt.